Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to introduce you to a compact SUV that manages to feel both rugged and refined, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLB. Imagine sliding into a vehicle that captures the bold, boxy charm of a baby GLS, yet fits neatly into tight city streets and suburban driveways. From the moment you open the door, you'll notice how the GLB's cabin wraps you in Mercedes quality materials, with soft touch surfaces and sculpted seats that hug you just right. Under the hood, the GLB is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that makes 221 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, backed by a 48-volt mild hybrid system that sneakily adds up to 13 extra ponies when you need a quick burst. That power flows through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox, delivering smooth, confident shifts whether you're tooling around town or merging onto the highway. Front-wheel drive comes standard, but the 4MATIC all-wheel drive option turns the GLB into a sure-footed companion in rain, light snow, or gravel roads, giving you extra confidence when the pavement ends. Driving dynamics aren't about thrills but about balance. The suspension soaks up bumps without feeling floaty, and the steering is precise enough to make parking a breeze. Mercedes hasn't designed this to be a sports car, but it never feels underpowered, especially when that mild hybrid kick fills and throttle lag with surprising agility. Step inside and you'll discover an interior that's surprisingly spacious for a subcompact SUV. Behind the second row lies 20 cubic feet of cargo space, and fold those seats down and you unlock 62 cubic feet of room, almost as much as some midsize rivals manage. Need extra seats? A small third row is available, perfect for occasional use by kids or as a stowaway for extra gear. Technology takes center stage with twin 12.3-inch displays seamlessly integrated under a single glass panel. On the left, a crisp digital gauge cluster shows speed, fuel economy, and navigation prompts. On the right, the MBUX infotainment system responds to touch, the multifunction steering wheel touchpad, or the magic words "Hey Mercedes." Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with 4 USB-C ports so everyone can stay charged. Safety is equally well covered, with automated emergency braking, active brake assist, and adaptive cruise control ready to step in when you need them. Optional lane keeping assist and blind spot monitoring add another layer of peace of mind. At a starting price under $47,000, the GLB class offers a genuine Mercedes-Benz experience in a practical, family-friendly package. Whether you're hauling groceries, school bags, or weekend gear, it looks sharp, rides comfortably, and delivers the premium touches you expect from the three-pointed star. If you're in the market for a subcompact luxury SUV that feels bigger on the inside than it looks outside, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLB deserves a test drive.